Interior design is about so much more than just matching the right furniture or choosing a shade of paint. At its core, it is the art and science of understanding human needs to create functional, comfortable, and aesthetically appealing spaces. Whether it's a cozy apartment or a spacious office, smart design changes how we interact with the environment. The fundamentals of great design. A successful design project usually relies on three fundamental pillars. Functionality. The space should be convenient for those who use it. Before making aesthetic decisions, a designer must consider how the room will be used. Is it a high-traffic area? Does it need to combine work, leisure, or meeting guests? Aesthetics. It's the visual harmony of the room. It includes careful selection of color palettes, textures, lighting, and furniture styles that reflect the character and needs of the owner. Atmosphere. Mood. The ultimate goal of design is to evoke a certain feeling. The light, scale, and arrangement of objects can make a room energetic and vibrant, or intimate and serene. Trends versus timeless classics. While design trends, whether mid-century modern, minimalism, or industrial, come and go, the best interiors often rely on timelessness. A well-designed space doesn't just look stylish today. It remains relevant and comfortable for many years. By focusing on quality materials and personal accents, rather than fleeting fashion, it is possible to create a home that is a true reflection of the owner's personality. The power of parts. Often, the difference between a just furnished room and a designer room is in the details. Thoughtful lighting, art placement, the contrast between soft fabrics and hard surfaces, and skillful use of empty space all create a holistic image. Ultimately, interior design is about storytelling. Every piece of furniture, every carpet, and every light fixture tells a story about who we are and what we value. When a space is designed the right way, it becomes more than just a place to live. It turns into the perfect backdrop for the kind of life we want to lead. The magic of transformation. From idea to embodiment. Once the fundamental design principles are laid, the most exciting stage begins, the process of transforming an empty space into a lively interior. This journey requires not only artistic vision, but also discipline. Interior design is not born overnight. It is a step-by-step process where each step affects the following. The creation process. Key stages. Conceptualization. Finding ideas. It can be a travel-inspired image, a favorite painting, or just a certain lifestyle. At this stage, mood boards are created to help visualize the future atmosphere. Planning solution. Working with space. This is the skeleton of the project. Where will there be areas for sleep, work, and relaxation? How do you organize traffic flows so that the house is convenient to move around? Ergonomics comes to the fore here.